Hello and welcome to room 501 at the Sofitel in Bogota. So as you come straight into the room, you're into the kind of bathroom slash kind of hallway sort of area. Plenty of space in here to store lots of bags, lots of luggage. You can also hang your clothes up on this, which is nice, and your jewellery as well. Actually, Ronan will give you a bathroom tour, so he'll give you, he'll run you through all of that in a minute. Let's turn some lights on. Oh no. Let's turn some lights on in here for you. So, here we go. So we've got a nice love heart-ish shaped table with some complimentary granola, which is, I think, some sort of national fruit. So we'll be having a look at that. Trying to maybe have a little piece of that later, see what it tastes like. Over to the bed then, we've got some nice plush, comfy slippers.
And they do a turn down service.
They do a turn down service. US power sockets, complimentary still water, a notepad with a pencil.
And that was refilled each day because I moved the ball.
Yeah, the water. We've got a newspaper as well, I think. Let's see if that's. Oh, I think it's just more of a. It's not a newspaper as such, but it's like a. Well, it says July to August, so something to read, I guess. Oh, and one thing we did really like, they provided us with a UK plug, so we didn't specify that, I don't think, but they've clearly. Oh, there's a random metallic bin from. It almost looks like it's from the bathroom in the corner. Nice fluffy rug. Got a shoe shining kit here. In here we have a coffee machine, again another still bottle of water, a kettle, the coffee pods, a range of different teas, sweetener and sugar. If you do want creamer, you have to request it. Then we've just moving on to the minibar items then. So what's that? Alpine milk. So you've got the wafer things, crisps, nuts, Kit Kat stickers, Absolute vodka, and I don't think this is weighted.
Whiskey.
Is it whiskey? 40%. Yeah. Pringles, so good selection. Well, a few different things there if you were wanting something without heading out to the shops. And then, again, I don't think this is weighted. I think that this must be some sort of beer, local beer. A different type of water. It's like this fizzy behind it. Normal Coke, Diet Coke, Red Bull, orange. You get the gist. And then here, just to show you the wardrobe part. One bathrobe, don't know where the other one is. Then up here we have, let's just see, let's have a look at these, what we've got. That's what you need, Ronan. A firmer pillow. Again, there's only one in there, so I'm sure if you need any other ones, any firmer or softer ones, I'm sure they would be available on request. Ignore the mess over here because this is all Ronan stuff. We've got a nice sized TV.
And it's a nice place to put all the items so you can put it all out there.
We've
And then
got
you've got
blackout blinds, which you can, obviously, this comes down and then these come across as well. So pretty dark here last night. Nice sofa. A Bose speaker, which is really, really bassy if you're into your bass. And yeah, I think
Pillow
that's about
menu.
it. Oh, there is a pillow menu, and we'll show you some of the different options, different pillows now. There we go. And then just for the bed test, as you can see, it's really comfy.
Okay, brilliant. So, as Alex said, this is quite interesting. It's sort of like a, but if you're at the wrong angle, like as long as you're not looking through it, you can't sort of,
See if you're in bed.
yeah, you can't. Hairdryer, normal kind of hairdryer, nothing special. Plenty of toiletries. What is nice is the octane sort of products. Obviously, me and Alex are normally a sort of Hilton sort of group stayers or hotel-y people. But this is our first time in a Sofitel. I'm really impressed so far. But yeah, it's nice just to have some actual products that you can buy in a shop, not just some awful stuff that Hilton decides. The shower is really big again, a lot of octane in here. The shower is 9 people. Quite squeeze. Normal toilet, and 3 towels, even though there's only 2 in the room, which I think is nice. And plenty of towels here for using on that. And there is a pair of scales. But
They're using now.
no, no. But what will be interesting is we are having dinner in the hotel, which isn't something we normally do. So do stay with us and we'll show you what the hotel dinner's like. So we made our way down to the lobby, which was beautifully decorated for Christmas. The restaurant on site is called Basilic. As always, it was better than a lot of hotel restaurants that I'd previously had many years ago. But we made a reservation. It certainly wasn't needed. It wasn't too busy. Although there seemed to be too many staff for how many customers. The starters, we had sort of sharing starters, which were great. We then went over to our main courses, which 3 of us had burgers and 1 of us had something else. Again, all was great. And we had certainly a lot of alcohol. The cocktails were beautiful, and they only came to about £70 for all of us.
So literally, I was just about to go to bed, but then I noticed there were a few little goodies on the bedside table. It is about 5 o'clock here, and we've probably got about an hour until we need to be up again. So in this little box here, there is a Spanish cookie thing, I guess. It's like shortbread. Very nice. And there's also this ritual of cocoa tea. So because we're 2,600 meters above sea level, apparently this tea is meant to prevent discomforts caused by altitude. So let's have a, I've got to get out of the bag first. There's a tea bag. Okay, pour it in there. There we go. This looks like green tea. Yeah, lovely, thank you. And apparently we leave that for 2 minutes. And then you're ready to enjoy. Good, nice and sweet. You can tell I'm knackered from, didn't get much sleep on the flight, clearly. Yeah, let's see what this is. So it's been about 2 minutes. This cup is very hot. So I have to try and jiggle it between the hands. It just tastes like green tea. They've picked it up, ritual of cocoa tea, and it's just green tea. But I don't normally have tea, so it's probably me not being able to taste the difference. Do you want to try a bit, Ronan?
No.
No, not a tea person. I'll have it anyway, because apparently it helps with altitude sickness. To be relaxing.
One thing I always like is when hotels make an effort for people's birthdays, and on arrival in the hotel there was a sort of happy birthday cake, and it was absolutely beautiful, really, really rich chocolate. But here we are heading down to the gym after that chocolate cake. The gym area is located downstairs, and as you'd expect from a Sofitel, not many rooms in this hotel. It was of an adequate size, a couple of running machines, a weight area. They also did have some sort of towels, but they were not chilled, so that was a little bit disappointing, but it was absolutely fine for what we needed in the day. Looking at this, there was a water fountain here, and they did have some fruit out as always. And they had a lovely lounge area in the lobby, which we only discovered on the last day. But there was sort of all these awards on the left that you can see that they've won for the hotel, so clearly it's quite a good hotel. For breakfast, we always went to a cafe along the street, and it was absolutely beautiful. Egg sort of omelette in a cook bowl with a croissant. Again, you're looking at only £6, but Bogota for both of us, absolutely fascinating. We can't wait to visit again. And if you are interested in seeing what Bogota's like, do check out our Instagram, which is Ronan and Alex. And we'll see you over there, and we'll show you some more of what Bogota has to offer. And once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next one.